Hello Scorpions, welcome back to my channel Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat, Namaste. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running, and let's start with your reading. Timeless though, depend upon your timelines and all that stuff, okay? So let's start. How have you been? Thanks for support, likes, shares, subscriptions. Hit the bell icon definitely if you haven't, and all that stuff, yeah. Thank you for donations and all that. What was the message? Okay, sweet message. All right, so I'm hearing the word came through as in like once, O-N-C-E, once. And I see like this is something connected with that you need to do it once, okay? Or maybe this is something connected with that it just happened with you once and it changed your life. Now change your life maybe, but I'm hearing like positive, okay? Nothing negative or nothing like that may pull you down kind of energy. No, Scorpions are going through kind of like once. Now when you say like once upon a time, I met this girl, I met this boy and my life changed kind of. So I heard like once. I feel like this happened in your life already or this recently happened. However, this fits your timeline. But somehow I get this energy of like, you just need to do it once, okay? Something that you might probably be thinking about how to, you just need to do it once and everything will be resolved. I'm hearing that, okay? So if there is something connected with that you need to talk to the person, do it once, okay? You also have on the cut side energy, you have Five of Wands energy. It's maybe something that feel though hard or challenging, or maybe something that you're feeling like, how should I do it? Like there's a lot of probability around it and you don't know what ifs and buts. Then I would recommend that advice is that if you will not do it even, then also again like you're going to keep thinking about it, right? So once is coming here that you need to resolve some matter or some disagreement or something that you have like in mind about, like it is challenging for me, but you can do it because here on this side it is Eight of Wands energy. There is a movement I see, okay? There's a talk that is going ahead and so everything will be resolved. Like this is going to be like this. So once you start talking or once you express yourself or once you resolve this, taking step ahead, you're going to have a lot that I can see moving ahead, okay? This may be with the person, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Maybe you are up to something like talking to the person. I feel that. Yes, there is something home issue or some talk issue, but everything will be resolved. Let's see what's your overall. Wow, okay, let's see your overall energy. You're here, King of Hearts energy, Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but I'm reading for Scorpion, so I'm going to take this energy. However, this may be Cancerian or Piscean vibe as well. You might be dealing or somewhere falling in the chart, okay? Yeah, this is someone you can't just let go. I mean, this is something, fear of losing someone, kind of like getting out of contact that you really don't want. Let's see this energy. Wow. So some of you are specifically focused on this person. You might be thinking about, I just need to send message or I just need to take this one step once, okay? And you want to talk to this person. This may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is Queen of Swords energy, air. And I feel like this is something you may had talk with this person once, okay? Or maybe you just talked with them, like again, once. Just once. Maybe you're just thinking about, let me talk to you once, or maybe we had talk once. Now I want to go ahead with something. Now I'm going to figure out what is that with once, because there is this curiosity connected, okay? Yes, maybe this is about once I tell her, once I tell him, they are going to understand how faithful person I am. Faithful lover, faithful friend, whatever your connection is with the person. This is something close, definitely. So you might be thinking about this air sign here or someone with whom you're having very clear thoughts or decision that you're about to make. So faithfulness is definitely here, okay? Someone over here is very faithful and is in deep thoughts as well about. Let's see what is coming in the picture for Scorpions. Look, you're in thoughts, thinking deep about this person. How to, that's what is coming, like maybe this is a challenge, how to, or maybe if some issue is there with the person, of course you know them, then again you're thinking about how to resolve it, okay? This is something that you're writing and you're going to give that person what you're writing. So in writing maybe you're going to do it. Now in exact ways, like it does go with the fact of like sending the text or something like that, but you are doing something different here. I feel that. So maybe you are about to write something, maybe you're reading something. Now reading something, and then you have a time frame here, like a deadline here, and you're concerned about how to. There's very heavy energy of Leo as well somehow, but there's also something that is connected with an hourglass. Okay, now the hourglass may extend its time frame, but as per hourglass, you might be thinking, and continuously your hours are passing, like with the fact that what am I going to do about something, because you're concerned about. Okay, you're concerned about doing this, making a move. Scorpions are going through with the once I do it, I'm going to clear this. Okay, so whatever it is connected with your thoughts, and the thoughts connected with certain work connected with the person, or exactly with the person. Let's see. Yes, many of you are possible in the zone of like reuniting with the person, talking again about something. Two of Cups energy is a heavy reunion, and you people are thinking, you are in thoughts. So once you get to the point here, you're going to clear out. You really want to talk things with this person. That's why someone is on your mind. And with the thought, this is maybe the continuation of something. Okay, so let's cut the deck. Please ignore the sound. It's coming from my AC. You have been in, like, there's possible line being drawn. Whatever light is that, like, we need break, or we need to talk later on, or I'm not ready kind of, and then again you have thoughts about it. Let's see what is coming in the future for Scorpions. No, these are so many. Sorry. Please give us the energy. Okay. Fine. So you have a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I heard the word concern. Now this may be the person you're concerned, because your person might be dealing with someone here in the picture. Okay, now again, maybe this has nothing to do with cheating and all, but this is something connected with, like, once you are in deep thoughts of like, I should do it, or I should have done it prior, otherwise this situation, like, this is coming in the picture. Okay, so or maybe these are your thoughts of doing or making things right with the person. Now it has nothing to do again with some sign, but these signs are appearing. In your future, you're going to have certain talk or meeting that may go once and may go in like formal, something that you're going to confirm here. I'm hearing the words, they are away because of you. So something happened. So maybe that once may be the talk that happened was not good, or something that happened once may repeat, and that's why change in the situation is there. Someone is creating distance here. Okay. 8 of Cups. Once done kind of energy. Someone who is creating, or actually not creating, actually, yeah, maybe line drawn. I feel like this 8 of Cups energy is about walk away, yes, of course, but then again there is someone who's missing someone and is in deep thoughts, and I feel this is your energy, because I think definitely with thought you are in deep thoughts about something. Kind of hearing the words no rule. Okay, and I don't know how it is fitting your situation, but there's going to be something that once maybe there were so many rules and regulations or principles and all that stuff, and now someone is thinking way different. And maybe the concern or thought is all about, because this person you've been dealing or dealt with once is dealing with someone who may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and that is the cause that they walked away, like creating distance. But there is absence of emotions, and you are having that vibe of 2 of Cups energy. Let's see in the future what is coming. Someone is walking towards this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn possible, who was once with you. Okay, or maybe there is a decision that came through, like once you were with this person and now you are walking to this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, however it fits you. Oh my God. There's a U-turn. Now I see like there's definitely U-turn that I see. You have King of Swords energy again, repeat of male and female vibe. So there's heavy, certain kind of like a couple, power couple. But again, I feel like there's going to be U-turn. This person went, or because of some situations, there was something in the midst of this person and this person, and now there's a U-turn, like walking towards, again, like Scorpions, you are in deep thoughts of making decision, and then you are missing someone, and then you are heading towards the one you were once with kind of energy. Something happened in the mid, okay, that may create that mess or chaos, but then again, you are heading towards Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Vibe is here. You're in deep thoughts of this person. Makes clear, things are clear. Reason, someone's desire is what? You have Three of Wands energy. You are heading towards what you desire the most, okay, and who you desire. Now this is about a triangle situation or clarification. Three of Swords wives, something that was a betrayal, who gave whom, or this is about breakup situations or divorce matters here even. Not exactly for everyone out there, but then again, this is some triangle situation. There is a third party situation for some cases, and this is someone you separated ways or breakup was there. However this fits your situation, there is a U-turn towards this person. Also giving me the energy that something that is keeping you in deep thoughts is the concern once, the love once you had with the person, and that is why it is coming Three of Swords, okay. Someone who is taking themselves out from this, and also this is like the time to end the triangle situation, or time to end whatever is mess, okay. Let's see what is that they're trying to tell us from the other realm. There's a very clear zone that I see. One who was with one is now, or in the mid, was with someone. Absence of emotions is causing the thought process, and now they are going to the way, having a U-turn because they are missing someone, to the first A, okay. Finding back home, like finding way back home, okay. Finding way back home. So this may be Piscean also, not necessarily though, but with the moon energy, there is something or was something that was in the dual state, something that was there always, okay, but was never expressed possible properly, or something that you people have been in this emotional state. So there's a lot of bark left. I feel like I'm going to take this card out, but there's a lot of bark left means there's a lot of faithfulness, there's a lot of talk that is left. Whenever I see dogs or something kind of that energy, there's a lot of bark, and the bark says me that there's a lot that need to be discussed here, and that's why it's going to be even this Three of Swords, okay. So let's see what is from the other realm. It's like whatever was cluttered is going to come about, okay. 13 recording time, which is about double change in your situation and a pickup vibe, okay. Oh wow, the Devil. So Devil is a Capricorn. Some of you had unhealthy relationship with Capricorn in specific, possible, not for everyone, but with the Devil, this came as an alert, okay. Also you have major, so major changes been happening in your life. With the Devil, Capricorn is here, but with the Devil, it's also bounce back to your emotional situations, and this is every now and then kind of, and that's why it is creating mess and chaos here. Now here you are going to have emotional talk and a lot of bark with the person, okay. A lot of bark with the person that is connected with faithfulness, a lot of bark with the person which is unhealthy again, okay. So decision is en route in the future. Wow, okay. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.